Today's vlog. Watched a 5-minute video on how to do this shit. And my boy's been struggling in here all day. Let's see if we can talk to him.
We got it out.
Who's we, bruh?
I was
Give that credit to the man.
Keith and
Tony got it out.
and Tobias.
Keith with the fucking muscles, bro. I got some protein for you, Keith.
Shit got fun.
Don't say that on the video, bro. I'm not supposed to know. Put your dick in there, bro. Let's see.